Why? A signal transmitted from a TV tower cannot be received beyond a certain distance. Write the expression for the optimum separation between the receiving and the transmitting antenna. Okay. The signal transmitted from the TV tower cannot be received beyond a certain distance because the surface of the earth is curved. It is not a rectangular square one. Okay. Signal waves transmitted from transmitter get absorbed or blocked by the curvature of earth or not received. Then we can also say because of line of sight nature of propagation, the direct waves get blocked at some point by the curvature of the earth. Then we can write this one as that d is equal to under root of 2hr, where r is the radius of the earth which is up to certain distance from the TV tower. Then the optimum separation between the receiving and the transmitting antenna is given by d is equal to under root of 2htr plus under root of 2hrr, where ht is the height of transmitting antenna, ho is the height of receiving antenna.